Might have to go ask them niggas what they fishing with. We're gonna get back to y'all when I catch the first fish, alright? Oh! Nigga put the hook so far in his ass, man. Shut up. Alright, man, we had to relocate the poles, man. We wasn't getting no action down there. Got niggas running. Get it, get it, get it. What that? Man, let's see, man. Got 1, 2, 3. Hold on, got 4. We got 5 poles in the water. Ain't getting the fucking action. Fuck this shit. Pissing me off. Put eyes on, man, hold on. Shoot that bitch off the camera. Make that nigga jump. Hold on, y'all think a nigga ain't hitting shit. Hey, that was a raw ass catch. We about to sling him again. Go get the net out the truck. Don't pull it. Kick that bitch off the water with your boots, hey?
Just.
It's a big fish. There you go. Grab that bitch under the bottom.
Huh?
Hold on, let me show you.
Hold up, fuck that.
Oh, you grab that bitch under here, say?
On the hill?
Yeah. Put your fingers in. Ain't shit left right there.
I'm gonna show you.
You can't do that. Pick that bitch up by that stomach. But look. Look.
Oh yeah, right there, all right.
Huh? Hold it from for Ken.
That bitch can't do that. Now see what it is, man. How we do it out here. Nigga get to it on the...
Sorry, stop that bitch. Oh yeah, there's that bit right there, I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga snatching these bitches now.
You tell you, I ain't gonna lie. I'm waiting on some shit to hit my reel.
Boy, I had to reel me one in. What you got out there, cuz?
And I got a big fish, boy. I hope it's a big fish.
That been fight?